Starting a hauling business with a pickup truck can be a rewarding venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Research and planning. Market research. Understand the demand for hauling services in your area. Identify potential competitors, their services, and pricing. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your services, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Legal considerations. Business structure. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Permits and licenses. Check with local authorities for any required permits or licenses to operate a hauling business in your area. Insurance. Commercial insurance. Purchase commercial insurance for your pickup truck to cover potential liabilities, damages, and accidents. Truck preparation. Maintenance. Ensure your pickup truck is in good working condition. Regular maintenance is crucial for reliability. Payload capacity. Know the payload capacity of your truck to determine the types and sizes of items you can haul. Equipment and tools. Straps and tie downs. Invest in high quality straps and tie downs to secure loads safely. Dolly or hand truck. Depending on the types of items you'll be hauling, consider having a dolly or hand truck for easier loading and unloading. Branding and marketing. Create a brand. Develop a professional and memorable brand for your hauling business. Online presence. Establish an online presence through a website and social media platforms. Showcase your services, pricing, and contact information. Set your pricing. Research competitors. Consider the pricing strategies of competitors while setting your rates. Transparent pricing. Clearly outline your pricing structure for different types of hauls. Target market. Identify your niche. Determine if you'll specialize in residential moves, junk removal, furniture delivery, or other hauling services. Networking. Establish connections with local businesses, real estate agents, and construction companies that may need hauling services. Create efficient routes. Optimize routes. Plan efficient routes to minimize fuel costs and maximize the number of jobs in a day. Scheduling. Develop a scheduling system that allows for timely pickups and deliveries. Customer service. Professionalism. Provide excellent customer service, be punctual, and handle items with care. Customer feedback. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials to build your reputation. Bookkeeping and finances. Accounting system. Implement an accounting system to track income, expenses, and profits. Separate business finances. Open a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. Expand your services. Diversify. Explore opportunities to diversify your services, such as offering recycling or donation services for unwanted items. Safety measures. Secure loads. Prioritize safety by ensuring all loads are securely fastened to prevent accidents. Adhere to regulations. Follow traffic and safety regulations to avoid fines and accidents. Scale your business. Hire help. As your business grows, consider hiring additional drivers or laborers to handle increased demand. Invest in additional trucks. Consider expanding your fleet if the demand for your services continues to rise. Customer retention. Customer loyalty programs. Implement customer loyalty programs or discounts for repeat business. Follow up. Follow up with customers to ensure satisfaction and gather feedback for improvement. Remember, patience and dedication are crucial when starting and growing a hauling business. Consistently providing reliable and professional services will contribute to the success and longevity of your venture.